Good morning, everyone. My name is Rafahiatu Azkia, student ID 2414328 from class TMK1A. Today, I will present about identifying the hand grinder, an important power tool widely used in various industries. I hope this presentation will help us better understand the types, functions, and proper identification of this versatile tool. And this is the outline for my presentation. There are introduction, definition, function, how it works, advantages, and disadvantages. Let's start this with introduction. Power tools are tools that are operated using external power sources such as electricity, batteries, compressed air, or combustion engines rather than relying solely on human muscle power such as hand tools. This tool is designed to simplify, speed up, and improve the efficiency and quality of work results, both in the fields of construction, repair, automotive, carpentry, and do-it-yourself project. One of power tools that I will present is a hand grinder. A hand grinder, also known as a portable power grinder or angel grinder, is a type of power tool in the form of a portable electric tool used to smooth, level, cut, or sharpen various types of materials, such as a metal, wood, concrete, ceramics, and plastic. This tool works by rotating the grinding wheel or abrasive disc at high speed so that it is able to scrape or cut the surface of the workpiece efficiently. Now that we understand the definition of a hand grinder as a portable electric tool used for smoothing and cutting materials, let's look at the main function of this tool in various jobs. Leveling and smoothing the surface of materials such as iron or other metals. Cutting materials such as iron, wood, ceramics, and concrete. Sharpening cutting tools such as drill bits, chisels, or knives. Removing rust, welt, residue, or paint of metal surface. Now that you know the various functions of a hand grinder, I'll explain how to operate the tool properly for maximum result and safety. 1. Preparation. Make sure the work area is clean and free from flammable objects. Prepare personal protective equipment such as goggles, masks, gloves, earplugs, face shields, and protective shoes. 2. Machine inspection and setup. Check the physical condition of the hand grinder, cable, and plug. Ensure that the grinding wheel is in a good condition, has no crack, and is suitable for the type of work. Disconnect the power cord when replacing the grinding wheel and use a standard wrench for installation. Ensure that the RPM of the grinding wheel matches or is greater than the engine RPM. 3. Position adjustment. Hold the hand grinder with both hands to maintain stability. Adjust the position of your body and workpiece to be safe and comfortable during the grinding process. 4. Grinding start. Plug the cable into the power source. Turn on the machine and let it run for a few seconds to make sure that there are no vibration or strange noises. 5. Grinding process. Attach the grinding blade to the workpiece at an angle as needed. Do not apply too much pressure. Let the machine run at a moderate pressure. Direct sparks away from the body and flammable object. 6. Finishing grinding. Turn off the machine and wait for the grinding blade to completely stop rotating before putting in the tool away. Clear the work area of excess material and store the grinding in a safe place. After understanding the steps of using a hand grinder, we can see some advantages that make this tool very popular and widely used in various. Versatile, can be used for cutting, smoothing, polishing, and honing a variety of materials such as metal, wood, ceramics, glass, and more. Efficient and fast, improves work efficiency and speed, especially in construction and manufacturing projects. Compact design, easy to grip, lightweight, and can be used in tight area or hard to reach corner. High precision, provides neat and precise work on the surface of the workpiece. Flexible, easy to move, and used in various work locations. Although it has many advantages, of course, hand grinders also have some disadvantages that we need to pay attention to so that their use remains effective and safe. High accident risk, potential for injury from cuts, sparks, or broken grinding blades, especially if safety procedures are not followed. Dust and sparks, generates dust and sparks that are hazardous to health and safety. Limited scarping, the depth of cut is small, making it less efficient for very thick materials. Operating cost requires additional costs for maintenance, grinding wheel replacement, and personal protective equipment. Processing time, for some jobs, the processing time may be longer than for specialized cutting machines. For the last, a hand grinder is a portable electric tool that serves to cut, smooth, and sharpen various types of materials with efficiency and precision. Its operation involves the use of grinding wheel that rotates at high speed, which must be done with proper steps and adherence to safety procedures for optimal work results and minimize risk of accident. The main advantages of hand grinder include flexibility, ease of use, and the ability to complete various jobs quickly and neatly. However, they also have their drawbacks, such as potential accident hazards, maintenance costs, and limitation of scarping very thick materials. With a good understanding of their function, working methods, and advantages and disadvantages, hand grinders can be a very useful and effective tool in many different fields of works. That concludes my presentation on identifying the hand grinder. Thank you very much for your attention and the opportunity to share this information. Have a great day. Bye.